Alright there guys, it's Dan here from Barbecue Land, the UK specialist barbecue retailer in Hertfordshire. What we're going to be doing today, we're going to be getting the Kamado Joe Classic II fired up. We're going to make some smoky mac and cheese. We've got a full fire basket of charcoal with a couple of fire lighters in there. We're going to open up the bottom vent, get these lit and leave them for around 10 minutes, 5-10 minutes with the dome open, just so they can have plenty of oxygen to get the charcoal started, and look at around about a temperature of about 150 to 180 degrees C. So let's take a look at all the ingredients. Right, we've got a pan here with a whisk. We're going to be making our roux and our cheese sauce. We've got our Lodge 10-inch pre-greased cast iron pan. We've got about 2 tablespoons of butter. We're going to use probably about a tablespoon of Dijon mustard. We've got 200 grams of soft cheese, like cream cheese. We've got 2 tablespoons of flour. Again, another 2 tablespoons of butter. We've got a couple of chicken stock cubes that I've just crushed up. We've got some Panko breadcrumbs. We've got I've pre-cooked this to al dente. So then obviously when we do cook it, it can still reabsorb all that cheese sauce we're going to be making. That's about 340 grams, 350 grams of dry pasta, obviously pre-cooked. And then we've got about 200 grams of mature cheddar cheese, 200 grams of red Leicester, and we've got about 100 grams of mozzarella. We're going to be using Angus and Oink Pegasus, which is bacon, honey, jalapeno barbecue rub, which is absolutely amazing. And we've got around about 800 ml of milk. We might not need it all. So now we're up to around about 150 degrees C. We're going to lift the dome. Now we've preset our vents, so it should always stay like that when we start closing the dome. So we're going to place our pan over the fire and let that preheat. Now we're going to add the butter. Get that melted. Now we're going to go in with our flour. We're going to mix this into a little sort of paste. And then we can start gradually adding our milk. So now we've got our nice white sauce. We're going to take it off the heat. Got a nice bit of maple wood there, so we're going to get him in there. We're going to place our deflectors in. Get our grates back on. Shut the dome up. So we've gone in with our chicken stock cube there. Going to go in with our Dijon mustard. And we're going to go in with our cheese. Then we're going to go in with our soft cheese. We're literally just going to use that heat that we've got in there to just slowly melt the cheese. It doesn't have to be all melted. because we're going to be putting it back on. And we're going to go in with a little bit of the seasoning. Get all this in there. I'm just going to give all that a good old mix. Right, then we're going to get it all in here. Level it out. So now what I've done, I've just melted the butter. I'm going to go in there in the panko breadcrumbs. We're going to take our Pegasus barbecue rub, give that a good helping. I'm just going to give that a good old mix. Now what we're going to do, sprinkle it all over the mac and cheese. Level it out a little bit, just over 150 degrees with some smoke rolling of the maple wood. And we're going to set him on there and shut the dome up, and then we're going to leave that for around about an hour. Well, we've been about an hour. Look at that. Lovely and bubbly. The breadcrumbs look nice and crispy. So we're going to pull this off, make sure you've got a heat-proof glove. Hope you enjoyed the video. We got the smoked mac and cheese using Angus and Pegasus rub, all on the Kamado Joe Classic II. Check out all our other videos. Please like, subscribe. If you have any questions, hit us down in the description below, and we'll see you next time. Cheers.